สวัสดีครับสำหรับในบทนี้เราจะมาเรียนการใช้สระเสียงยาวซึ่งมีอยู่มากในคำศัพท์ภาษาอังกฤษรวมถึงการเรียนรู้วิธีการนำคำศัพท์เหล่านั้นไปใช้งานในประโยคด้วยครับ
Hello everybody, this is teacher Jimmy and welcome back to another phonics video. Today we are going to focus on the 5 long vowels of the English language and they are A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. The first vowel we are going to look at is the A sound. A. A. And vocabulary number 1 is going to be train. 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 Vocabulary number 2 is going to be rain. 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 And remember, the N sound is a soft sound. Vocabulary number 3 is going to be snail. 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 A sentence of these vocab could be: the snail sits on the train when it rains. The snail sits on the train when it rains. Vowel number 2 is the long E sound. E, E, E. And vocabulary number 1 is B. B. B, E, B, E, B, E. B. Vocabulary number 2 is tree. 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 And vocabulary number 3 is sheep. 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 And remember, the P is a soft sound. Sheep. And a sentence could be: the bee flies up the tree and the sheep sleeps under the tree. The bee flies up the tree and the sheep sleeps under the tree. Vowel number 3 is the long I sound. I. And vocabulary number 1 could be tie. 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 Vocabulary number 2, pie. 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 And the sentence could be: my dad wears a tie and my mom bakes a pie. My dad wears a tie and my mom bakes a pie. Vowel number 4 is the O. O. The long O sound. Vocabulary number 1, goat. 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 Vocabulary number 2, boat. 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 And again, the T sound is a soft T. Boat. And vocabulary number 3, toad. 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 with a soft D sound. D. Toad, toad. And the sentence could be, the goat and the toad are in the same boat. The goat and the toad are in the same boat. And finally, vowel number 5. The long U sound. U, U, U. And the vocabulary number 1. Glue, glue. Gl, oo, gl, oo, glue, glue. Vocabulary number 2. Blue, blue. Bl, oo, bl, oo, bl, oo, blue. And the sentence for these words could be, I use some glue to stick the blue paper. I use some glue to stick the blue paper. Okay, that is the lesson on the 5 long vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. I hope you learned something today, and remember to tune in again next time for the next video. Have a nice day. See you later.